Hey, what's going on, my friends? It's your boy, Mr. JR Breakthrough Wells, cutting a real quick video for you guys on how to make money in 2019. That's right. We are coming close to 2019. Either you are watching this in the early portions, ending of 2018, or we're in 2019, baby, and you're looking to make some money online. Now, mind you this, my friends, as a full-time online marketing coach, mindset mentor, and product creator, there are some simple things you have to understand about making money online. It's all the same, but you have to have these 4 principles in line so that you can make money online. So let me break down the number 1 way or reason or thing that you need to keep in mind to make money online in 2019. You need to have a product that you can move at a very low cost, right? So if you are partnering up with a business opportunity, a network marketing opportunity, a direct sales company, if you're looking to invest in something, it's got to be a low startup cost. It's got to be a low startup cost, especially if you've never made money online. See, the mindset that people have is they don't have enough money to invest in. And mind you, what they're investing in is themselves. So they're saying to themselves, I don't have enough money to invest in me because I'm too busy paying these bills and hardly getting by. Doesn't make sense. So what we have to do is shift the mindset by helping people get involved at a low ticket, a low startup cost, a low overhead, a low investment. By doing so, my friends, we can see great opportunities making money in 2019. I've created a playlist. This is number 1 in how to make money in 2019. Watch the second video. It's your boy, Mr. JR Breakthrough Wells. Definitely like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss none of the notifications once I drop some more content. I'll see you guys in our next video. Peace.